Congratulations.
Oh my God!
You are the winner of the $10,000 Owens Corning Roofing.
Oh, what a blessing. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. You're welcome. Here's some balloons for you.
Oh my God.
We're happy for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, it's okay. We're outside. We're outside. 6 feet away, so. It's okay. You deserve it. We're happy that you won. We're happy that we could help out. You guys have many supporters. Vote for you guys. So just wanted to swing by and say congratulations. Again, you're the winner of the $10,000 free Owens Corning Roofing System. You are welcome. This is awesome. We're glad that we could help out. It's a wonderful thing, wonderful opportunity that we're doing, and we're happy that you guys are the recipient of this award.
We were up almost the night place.
Hey, it was meant to be. So
yep.
you were welcome.
It was. Thank you.
Wanted to give this to you guys also so that you can hang on to it. So, what is today? Thursday, so it's an early weekend present for you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We've really been blessed.
Hey, just here paying it forward for people. So that's the reason why we named this giveaway Remodel It Forward, because we've been blessed throughout the years of growing the company, and we've been in positions to help people out. This is what we're here to do, and we're happy for you. You're welcome. So the next step is we're gonna get things together, get you on the schedule, and get things up for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. We're happy. All right, thanks.
Guys, I can't explain the happiness and the joy. I just feel totally blessed. I know he does too. We're both on disability, and this is a real blessing. This is just
Thank you. Remodel It Forward.
So we just got to the first giveaway, the winner of the Owens Corning $10,000 roof giveaway. We just finished up here. The customer is absolutely ecstatic. Next step is to get things ordered up and get this roof on for them. So the Remodel It Forward program, what we did was we wanted to pay it forward, and we've been in the position throughout the years. Been telling people process has been going on, and we've been blessed because we've been able to grow the company to the point where we can help customers out. And we're now at the stage to where we are paying it forward, and wanted to get these customers all fixed up and get this roof on for them so that they can not worry about the expense of what is needed to get their home all leak-free and fixed up.